I'm available for all sort of MyLab courses, MS Excel, MS Word, MS PowerPoint, MS Access Mathematics, Accounting and Statistics, Problems Rock.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 1B simulation exam. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, all assignments, midterm exam and final exam. Okay, let's start our simulation exam to solve it step by step. Excel 1 simulation exam. Question number 1 is that with the 1 as the active cell, check the spelling of the worksheet, change the misspelled participant to participant. Simply we will go to the review tab. Okay, go to the review tab. In the proofing group, click on spelling button. Then we will click on change. Click on OK. Question completed. Now moving on, next question is question number 2. Select the range M10 to O13. Leave the range selected and with M10 as the active cell. Center the value 8 and press enter. Simply we will select this range first, M10 to O13. Okay, first we will select this range M10 to O13. Then click on cell M10 as the active cell. Click on cell M10. Okay, and then we will type, enter the value 8 in cell M10 and then press enter. Okay, type 13 in cell M11, click on cell M11 and then we will type 13 in cell M11. We will type 13 in cell M11. 13 in cell M11. Okay. Type 6 in cell M12, click on cell M12 and then we will type 6. Type 7 in cell M13, click on cell M13 and then we will type 7. Type 10 in cell N10, click on cell N10 and then we will type 10. Question is completed now. Now moving on, next question is question number 3. In cell H5, enter a formula that multiplies the total enrolled in cell F5 by the cost participant in cell G5. We will go to the cell H5 and then we will enter a formula. Press is equal to, enter a formula. Okay, multiplying the total enrolled F5 multiplying by cost per participant in cell G5. F5 multiplying by G5. Then press enter. Then press enter. It will be find total tuition fees in cell H5. Fill the formula in cell H5 down through cell H6 to H19. Okay, fill down the formula H5 through H6 to H19. Okay, question is done now. Now formate the range H6 to H19 using with comma style. We will select this range H6 to H19, go to the home tab, in the number group, click on comma button. Okay, we will go to the number group, click on comma button. Okay, then comma style will be applied on this range. Okay, question is completed. Now use the quick analysis button to sum the range H5 to H19 and paste the result in cell I20. We will select this range H5 to H19 and then use quick analysis button. Okay, click on quick analysis button. Sorry, first we will select this range. Click on quick analysis button and then click on total. Okay, click on total and then click on sum. Okay, it will be find sum in cell I20. Then auto fit the width of column match. Select column match, right? Okay, and then go to the home tab. In the cells group, click on format button. Click on format button. Then click on auto fit column width. You can see I have first select this column match. Now I am going to the cells group. Okay, we will select column match, then go to the cells group. In the format button, click on auto fit column width. Now next question is question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this simulation exam. Now question number 5 is that in cell I5 create a formula to divide the value in cell F5 by F20. Set F20 as absolute cell reference in the formula. Basically in this question we will go to the cell I5 and then we will create a formula to divide F5 by cell F20. Okay, we will press is equal to F5 is total enrolled divided by F20. F20 is absolute reference. Okay, F5 divided by F20 is absolute reference. Enter dollar sign, then press enter, then it will be find value in here. Copy the formula from I5 down through cell I6 to I19. Okay, copy down the formula through cell I19. Okay, I19. Question is completed. Now I have done 5 questions of this simulation exam. Now moving on, next question is question number 6. In question number 6 you can see on my PC screen I have done 5 questions of this simulation exam. Question number 6 is that type 20 in cell C8. Simply click on cell C8, then we will type 20 in the formula bar in cell C8. Okay, click on cell C8. Okay, remove the value in formula bar and then we will type 20. Type 9 in cell D12. Okay, click on cell D12 and then we will type 9. Okay, added cell A7 by adding the text percussions after the word drums. We will click on cell A7. Okay, we will click on cell A7 and then we will enter. Okay, we will enter percussions word of the drum word. Okay, enter slash and then we will type percussions word PERCUSSION. Okay, percussions. Now next question is that I have done this question. Question is completed now. Now moving on question number 7. In question number 7, format cell I5 to I9 with the percent style and 2 decimal places. We will select this range I5 to I9. Okay, then go to the home tab. In the number group, first we will select this range I5 to I9. Okay, then go to the home tab. In the number group, click on percentage style button and 2 decimal places. Okay, here is percentage and in the we will increase 2 time decimal places. Okay, center the percentage in the range I5 to I9. We will select this range, go to the alignment tab and then center the alignment. Center the alignment. Okay, question is completed. Now moving on, next question is question number 8. In question number 8, we will insert a new row as row 4. We will simply go to the we will simply click on row 4, right click on row 4 and then click on insert tab. Okay, insert a new row, row 4. Okay, select row 4, right click on this, click on insert button. New row will be inserted. Type total participants in cell C4, click on cell C4 and then we will type total participants. Okay, merge and center the range C4 to E4. We will select this range C4 to E4 and then we will merge and center. Go to the alignment tab in the merge and center button. Click on merge and center button. We will go to the home tab in the alignment group, click on merge and center button, apply the adding 4 cell style to the cell C4 to F4, C4 to E4. First we will select this range cell C4 to E4. Okay, then go to the home tab in the styles group, click on cell style button, then we will apply heading 4 cell style. Okay, delete column B in the worksheet. We will simply select column B. Okay, then we will right click on column B and then simply click on delete button. Okay, delete column B in the worksheet, select column B in the worksheet first, select with this column B. Okay, right click on this and then click on delete button. Okay, insert a new column to the left of column L in the worksheet. Okay, we will click on column L and then right click on column L and then click on insert tab. Select column L, right click on column L and then click on insert tab. Okay, you can see I have done 9 questions of this simulation exam. Total question is 10. Okay, if you do not able to do this exam, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course with A+ grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your all simulation training, simulation exam, midterm exam, final exam. And reach me out on my WhatsApp and email for your other courses like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Access, Java, C++ and many more online courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.